Stop working for your chickens. I built a 10x12 fortress that runs itself. You only show up for the eggs. Third video of the series. It's time to finish the run, and I'm finally revealing all the lazy man tech that makes this 10x12 run itself. Why build from scratch when you can use a combo? I got this 10x20 run up in record time. Bigger space, less work. The lazy man way. Why pay for water when it falls from the sky? This system does the plumbing for me. Now, the rain literally takes care of my flock. I installed a gutter to catch the rain, leading into this 55-gallon drum. It feeds the auto waterers directly, completely off-grid and maintenance-free. One rain, one full drum. That's a whole month of water handled. No more daily refills, no more worries. This 55-gallon drum is actually the feeder. It holds over 150 pounds of feed. I fill it once, and I don't worry about food for a month. Total automation, the solar door. It handles the morning and night shifts so I don't have to. The ultimate lazy man's gatekeeper. I don't trust tech 100%. That's why I added a 24/7 night vision camera. Now I can check my flock anytime, anywhere, right from my phone. 5-star reviews only. They've got the food, the water, and the tech. This coop is officially chicken approved. Winter here is brutal. It drops to -5 degrees. I'm way too lazy to haul water in the snow, so I built this indoor winter station to keep things flowing. To beat the 5-degree freeze, I wrapped the pipes in electric heat tape. In the workspace, a 35-gallon drum with a de-icer keeps the water above 32 degrees. It costs pennies to run, but saves me hours of work. Winter days are too short for egg laying. So, I added timed LED lights to give them 16 hours of daylight. It tricks their bodies into thinking it's still spring. Maximum eggs, even at 5 degrees. Added dual eyes inside. One for the door, predator watch. One for the nesting box, egg check. 24/7 peace of mind from my phone. 150 lb feeder versus deep snow. Still dry, still flowing, zero maintenance. That's the lazy man's promise. Sometimes they stay out too late and the raptors are waiting. Caught an owl on camera trying to snag a straggler. My 24/7 eyes spotted the late-night risk before the raptors did. That's my full lazy man setup. If you want more off-grid hacks, hit subscribe and drop your questions below.